If you've been searching for a new construction home northeast of San Antonio with top-rated schools, easy access to highways, and homes starting in the $300,000, you need to see Carmel Ranch in Schertz, Texas. Carmel Ranch is located in Schertz, Texas, one of the fastest growing cities in the greater San Antonio area. Here at Carmel Ranch, you are close enough to enjoy everything San Antonio has to offer and far enough to come home from it all. One of the biggest selling points in this community for families is the school district. The community is served by Schertz-Cibolo-Universal City ISD. For the homes themselves, floor plans here range from 2,000 square feet to over 2,800 square feet. So whether you are looking for a single-story layout or a two-story with a game room upstairs, there is an option for you. These homes are built with energy efficiency built into the design, from insulation to appliances. So you're not just buying a beautiful home, you're buying one that is designed to keep your utility bills lower over time. And if you are looking for something move-in ready, there are quick move-in options available right now. Carmel Ranch is a great fit for first-time buyers who want new construction without going over budget. It's also a great fit for families who need strong schools, and also for military buyers, given the proximity to Joint Base San Antonio and Fort Sam Houston. And if you enjoy the outdoors, nearby parks and scenic trails means you're also buying into that lifestyle. If Carmel Ranch sounds like it could be the right fit for you and your family, I would love to walk you through it. So feel free to call or text me. I am always here to help, and I look forward to working with you soon. Bye for now.